After a long day at work at kumain pa sa labas, alam naman natin kung gaano kadumi ang hangin and how pollution can really affect our skin. Kaya, I'm here to share with you guys this skincare gem that I recently tried, the Ultra Bright Miracle Soap by Hikari Skin Essentials. If you've been struggling with acne, dull skin, or dryness, especially after exfoliation, baka ito na ang new bestie nyo. So ano nga bang pinagkaiba nito sa regular soap? Hindi lang siya pang cleanse. Ito ay multifunctional 3-in-1 treatment bar na kaya mag-clear ng acne and clogged pores, mag-brighten ng dull and uneven skin tone, panatilihin ang skin na hydrated. Madali lang gamitin to. Basain ang face o body ng lukewarm water, lather ang soap hanggang maging creamy foam, gently i-massage sa circular motion, 20 to 40 seconds lang, and rinse ng maayos. Tapos follow with moisturizer at sunscreen. Pwede gamitin 1 to 2 times daily. Depende sa skin tolerance nyo. Ang favorite ko sa soap na to, nagki-clear talaga siya ng acne and brighten skin and keeps it hydrated. All in one bar. Plus perfect on 75 grams size for daily use ng 3 to 4 weeks. And guess what? Pwede nyo makatch ang live session with Hikari CEO, Sir Ralph, this February 28. Don't miss it. Mag-share siya ng tips at more info about Ultra Bright Miracle Soap. Head over at check it out. See you there!